Whoa, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day so far. Today your boy Sky has a very interesting video about Dogecoin, which is going to get you guys super excited. You know your boy doesn't like to upload around this time, but when I'm uploading around this time, it's an important one. First of all, if we just look at the chart, you can see it's pretty much consolidating between the same period, between 49 cents and 52 cents after Elon Musk's tweet yesterday. So the whole day it's just been doing the same thing. Before we do get into it, if you guys are here for the first time and you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but it will help you and me out as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people will see the positive side of Dogecoin. They decide to join the community, see the positive side of the community, they decide to purchase the coin, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Let's go for 1,300 likes. By the way, at the end of the video I do have a small surprise, so I recommend you guys keep watching. Honestly, I feel like whenever there is a small consolidation period, most of the people who are holding on to the token and are new investors, they get a little scared and they decide to sell. I know that's not part of the panic sell movement, because panic sell is when there is a big red line coming in and everyone just follows it and decides to sell with it. That's not panic selling, but let me just show you a little trend that will actually get you guys a little excited. So as you guys can see, the price for Doge USD came down to test the support as close to 40 cents, which has been marked out in the previous analysis. We do see that the bouncing at this level, however, we still want to see a break of resistance for the up contribution. So overall, you guys can see the big support is between 40 cents and 43 cents. It doesn't seem to go below that. It's actually tested that support a couple of times already, but the other thing you guys need to see is the other resistance is close to 56 cents, which it just can't break. It just gets to it, decides to come back. All we need to do at this point is we just need to keep holding and try to break that 56-cent resistance mark, and we will be skyrocketing very soon. At the moment it looks very good because it seems to be doing well in terms of going up and having an uptrend rather than a downtrend. All we need to do is try to hold and try to break that 56-cent resistance, and then there will be a bull run again. Now, talking about something very interesting, Doge statue stares down the Wall Street's charging bull. You guys can see the image. The bull is from the Wall Street, and obviously there is the Doge dog, which is literally just staring it down. A Shiba Inu statue has been placed in front of Wall Street's famous charging bull statue as a challenge to the traditional finance. You guys know Doge has been changing a lot of things. I mean, Elon announcing yesterday that Tesla might be accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment. You guys know most of the time when Tesla decides to accept a cryptocurrency, from the past we know they decide to purchase a bit of it, just like Bitcoin. And if they decide to purchase like $1 billion worth of Dogecoin, that would impact the price very heavily in a positive manner. So overall, Dogecoin is actually impacting a lot of markets, and that's a good thing. Now, talking about Amanda Cerny, you guys know she's a very well-known YouTuber. Dogecoin as the main currency for the space sector, I knew there was a bigger picture here to the literal moon. Now, the reason I wanted to cover this tweet is recently Amanda has been tweeting a lot about Dogecoin in a good manner, so it's great to see that other influencers are also investing inside of Dogecoin and actually joining the community. As I always say, Dogecoin community is probably the strongest and most held community out of all the cryptocurrencies out there, including Bitcoin. I feel like Dogecoin is just a lot nicer compared to Bitcoin in just general. Dogecoin donators for a good cause have outnumbered the Bitcoin donators by so much. It's just great to see. Now, talking about Coin, if you guys do not know, me personally, I'll be super honest, I did not know who he was. After doing some research, let's just say he's a very well-known person. He has close to 29 million followers on Twitter, and today he tweeted out saying, I'm looking for some anonymous online account that have thoughts on Dogecoin. Can anyone help me out? And just in under a day, he's already got a lot of people responding to him and talking about Dogecoin. And it's just great to see that someone with that much influence is trying to understand what Dogecoin is and trying to keep up with the trend. Now, talking about the billionaire Barry, yesterday, you guys remember we talked about how he's going short on Dogecoin, so he's predicting it will go down and that will make him profit. And let's just say our boy David was not happy with that, and today he tweeted out saying Elon over Barry. Just so you guys know what short is, it just means that you're saying sell. So let's say you sell 1,000 Dogecoin, and if it goes down, that's when you start making profit. So he thinks that the price will actually go down rather than going up. His His net worth is close to 1.5 billion, but all I'm going to say, Barry, is it's going to drop very quickly if you keep making stupid decisions like that. Moving on, Financial Review made a very interesting article today saying don't be fooled by Tesla accepting Dogecoin. Elon Musk's favorite cryptocurrency gives the lie to the idea that we should take Bitcoin and others like it terribly seriously. I do not know what Financial Review's problem is. They think that Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, nothing has value, and I completely disagree with that. Maybe if you talk about the meme tokens which have very little value, as in like they don't have any value, such as Silbert, not talking about anything specific, I understand, but talking about Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin like that, I don't think is a good idea. Now talking about Billy, you know, original creator of Dogecoin, today he made a very interesting article, and yesterday in my comment section a lot of people agreed with it as well when I talked about it. You guys know that there is a lot of people on YouTube that are scamming viewers and scamming people who are Dogecoin investors. So they will have a live stream on. Just when I went on YouTube yesterday, I had a YouTube live stream that come up that said Dogecoin creator token, and then Elon was in the thumbnail. When I looked at the viewer count, it was close to 11,000. When I clicked on it, on the side it said send Dogecoin to this address and you will be receiving double back. Never trust anyone when it comes to your Dogecoin wallet. Only send your Dogecoin or any cryptocurrency to some wallet that you trust, like your friend or your own wallet. Do not send it to a random person online. It cannot be tracked. But another great thing that Billy did is he actually helped a dog shelter or dog rescue team set up their trust wallet, so now you will be able to donate to them to help for a good cause. As I said, the Dogecoin community is amazing and they would love to help. Now talking about the whales, you guys always say that Sky, you talk about whales too much, but it's important. Honestly, this account that's on Twitter, they take care of all the big cryptocurrencies whales. If you actually look at their Twitter, you will see that, let's say Ethereum, Cardano, they will have transactions. Most of the time transaction means sell, and they will have like, oh, $5 million worth of Cardano sold, $5 million worth of Ethereum sold. But when it comes to Dogecoin, the range is a lot higher. It will be between 30 to 50 million US dollars. Just showing you guys the screenshot, this will happen literally 2 hours ago, where 101 million US dollars worth of Dogecoin was sold. Another one, $34 million worth of Dogecoin was sold just an hour ago. So you guys can see the whales are making a huge impact to keeping the price lower. Now, if you guys do not know, I love talking about Desert News. Today they made out an article saying, should you buy Dogecoin right now? And the simple response was, right now it is super volatile, and if you do want to get into the Dogecoin community, I recommend you get in for an extreme ride, because it could be going up, down, swings, everything can happen. Your stomach will be moving around. Just so you guys know, that does make sense. I mean, I personally would want something that has more volatility than something that just stays in the same place, because something that is more volatile means it will be more likely to make you more profit. Finally, the price prediction, Doge stabilizes in preparation for a rally to $1. Doge price may close with a second inside day as it tries to maintain the April high. Dogecoin price success lifting the fortunes of many investors. At the moment, you guys can, as I always say, if you don't know what to do, holding is the best option, and the price just seems to be getting ready for something big. That's all I'm going to say. That's out of the way. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like on if you're new, subscribe, stay up to date with everything, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.